The Center for Advanced Energy Studies, which we call CAES, is actually a collaboration among the Idaho National Laboratory, Idaho State University, Boise State University, and the University of Idaho. The mission of CAES really centers around three major areas of emphasis. First we have the research initiatives that we are engaged in, and those comprise nuclear science and engineering, materials science, carbon management, bioenergy, and policy. And at the same time, married with our second area of emphasis, economic development. Because one of the things that we're hoping is that as we conduct the research, that we are going to develop innovative ideas that will benefit industry, that can be then spun out of CAES into the area and help to build competitive businesses in the state of Idaho. The third area, which is actually education, where we're bringing in graduate students at the master's, the doctoral level, and even in some cases at the baccalaureate level to help build the research programs in each of those 5 areas.
CAES has benefited me as a student because it's allowed me to see the type of research that's going on, and it's made it easier for me to decide what kind of research I want to do and what kind of career path I want to take.
I think what I like most about working at CAES is the wide range of expertise that is available to me as a student. I can ask a question and someone will either know what the answer is or where to find it.
The real benefit is the access to everybody else. You have access to those capabilities at the other institutions and to the expertise at all the institutions, and that really makes for a more powerful team approach to really do some large-scale projects that are meaningful that maybe as an institution alone you couldn't do.
We're not a very well-known program nationally. We're gaining in reputation, and that has a lot to do actually with CAES. It's helped us a lot. And when I submit a proposal out of Boise State, if it's in collaboration or in connection with CAES and other universities, it adds credibility to that proposal and greatly increases our probability of success.
CAES is on the campus of the Idaho National Laboratory and University Place. What we have here is really somewhat unique in laboratory systems in that we have already established here University Place, which houses both Idaho State University and the University of Idaho. And we, the Idaho National Laboratory, are purposely building around that campus so that we provide an opportunity for more collaboration and better exchange from the university community to the laboratory community.
What made CAES successful is, in everybody's memory, the last 100 years, this is the first time that the 3 universities have ever sat at the same table and talked about common strategic interests and goals. And that has been just remarkable.
Having that sense that you're part of the structure and network is that you don't get at the university, because you're a single PI and all you see is the call for proposals and you submit, and that's much more of a black box process. So here you feel much more connected.
I think if I were just at my home institution, I would not be able to interact, with the breadth and the diversity of the people that are here.
Researchers really want to come to CAES. It's really exciting to see the interest, and the interest really stems primarily from an ability to actually connect with and reach out to students who are excited, who are interested, and who want to learn. To also have the ability to utilize state-of-the-art equipment, some unique pieces of equipment which we have here at CAES, which actually does not exist anywhere else at the Idaho National Laboratory, or for that matter, in many locations throughout the country. And third, it's a fun place to be. We're an open facility. We intend to have fun and enjoy the work that we're doing here, and we create that kind of a cooperative environment that will allow the kind of innovation that we need to solve the problems that are facing us in energy.
Idaho National Lab is a national lab that works on national problems. That's what national labs do. In the CAES construct, we work on nuclear energy, which is obviously an important mission to this lab. We work on bioenergy, we work on geothermal energy. But CAES offers us a different means of doing research. For our researchers, It's an exciting opportunity to build the cooperations with the academic community and the business community in the region to really pull together different combinations of minds and approaches to problem solving for the nation.
The Center for Advanced Energy Studies is a unique institution, and it is unique because we are solving the most difficult problems facing our country in energy today, while at the same time preparing individuals in order to continue that quest to solve these problems that are going to make the United States and make the world a safe and secure place for the future.